How to take a screenshot on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To take screenshots on Android device, there are various ways. Simply the most common way is using the buttons. You can easily use your volume down button and power off button and then take screenshots. The next way is simply you can use three fingers swipe down. You can easily use your three fingers and swipe from top to bottom of your screen and take a screenshots. So this features may not be available on all of your Android devices. So according to your Android devices, you can enjoy the features. To enable this kind of feature, you need to open settings and scroll down. Navigate to additional settings. Here you will get a screenshot, open it. And as you can see, here are different ways. You can use three finger swipe down, three finger touch and hold, and power and volume down buttons. So we already have tried two method. So you can easily use three finger touch and hold. So you need to use your three finger and touch and hold on an empty space. And now you can easily take a partial or scrolling screenshots. You can draw or trace the region you want to capture. You can easily use the shape like rectangle or ellipse as well. And after that, you will easily take screenshots as you can see, and then tap the tick mark at top right. So these are basically three ways of taking screenshots on this Android device. So based on your Android device, it might differ. So I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.